Hi guys, good evening, good morning, good afternoon, whatever place you're watching us from. How you doing? Alright, so this is my second video on this channel and um I was trying to settle down before I catch up to the bus. Finally I'm back. Alright, so in case you've not met me before, my name is Peter. Um I'm the leader of Good Forex Academy and I want to welcome you to my YouTube channel. Please, if you have not subscribed, please do well to subscribe, like the video to help us grow. Please do well to subscribe, like the video, and to help us grow. So yesterday we caught a sit down. We caught this massive moves on USD card, and it was so amazing that our mentorship students were really thrilled with it. So let me not bore you. For now, on this video, I'm going to be teaching you how to analyze the chart. All right, we'll be teaching you how to analyze the chart and get results from it. Okay, so right now we're going to be talking about candlestick pattern. I'm going to be talking about candlestick pattern on this chart. Now, what are candlestick patterns? Candlestick patterns are patterns that help you enter a trade. All right, it helps you know the best time to enter a trade. It helps you know when to click your buy or when to click your sell. Now we're going to be starting with a county pattern. After a county pattern, we'll now talk about a chart pattern. All right, now your strategy might be good. Okay, your strategy might be very good, but if you don't have a good entry, then you might end up in loss rather than a profit. Your strategy might be very good, you might, but if you don't enter the right way, you might end up in loss rather than profit. I want you guys to know this. So it's important that your entry is as important as your strategy. Now, before I enter a trade, I used to watch out for four things. Is my conditions for entering a trade. uh I call it CEST. CEST, which is the condition, entry, stop loss, and target. CEST, CEST, condition, entry, stop loss, and target. I don't enter a trade if my condition is not met. That's number one. Number two, my entry is not playing out. Number three, my stop loss, where I keep my stop loss. And number four, my target, where am I targeting? Those are the four things I look at where before I enter a trade. So right about now, let's look at um our chart patterns and then we go to candlestick patterns. All right. So this first video, I'm going to be talking about the double top and double bottom chart pattern. All right, the double top and double bottom chart pattern. So if you look at your chart, you will see something like this. Let me draw you a pattern. This is double top pattern. First top, second top, double top pattern. All right. Now, how do you trade it? Double top and double pattern is something that appears every time on our chart. But if you don't know how to cite it, then you not make good use of it. If you don't know how to cite it, just know how to cite it, and then you can now make good use of it. All right. This is okay. Sorry. This is This is the double top, one top, two top, and this is double bottom, one bottom, two bottom. You can also call it W. Some people call it W. Some people call it double top and double bottom. Right? How do you trade it? Now this is the first top, second top, and then this line here, this place here is called your neckline. So what you want to do is wait for price to break out of the neckline, retest it, and then head down. So this is how you take your double top. And from here, wait for price to move up here. Always wait for price to leave the zone, retest, and head up. This is how you trade your double bottom. So this will not be your entry. This place will not be where you take your sell trade. Pick out your sell icon. This is your sell icon. Pick out from there, and then enter your sell down all the way. This is how to take it. All right. That is how to take it. enter your sell here, and here enter your buy from here, long position from here to here. Alright, this is where you enter your buy. So let's see whether we can see this on our chart. Okay, beautiful. I'm already seeing one here. So I told you that if you can look at this very well, if you can see this very well, you can see that this is your first top, second top. All right. If you bring out, if you do like this, so help me, first top, second top. Then look at it went down. Okay, sorry. Then we can draw this. Sorry, draw this as what? As our neckline. All right. Established that breakout, we tested that neckline like I say it would there, and headed all the way down. So that is how you'll be trading it, you guys. This is a simple way to trade it, and start heading all the way down. So this is the place where you have entered your sell position, not from here. All right, this is the place where you enter your sell position. So you look at, you can see how it just went all the way down. So let's check if we can see another one, guys. Let's check if we can see another pattern like that. All right. um this one here came up, came down, we tested the neckline. It didn't really touch, but yet it's still valid. So this is it. So and then boom to the upside. So you can see that over your chart. You can go through your chart over and over. You see where, you see how it happened. You see how market used to do and used to um expect double top and double bottom. So this is already 7 minutes. Let me know kind of videos you want me to do for you. Please do well to like, do well to subscribe, do well to turn on the notification bell so that you'll be first to receive my videos when I drop new videos. All right. So thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day. Okay, look at this one. First top, second, first bottom, second bottom, all the way, came down, set neckline, and I went up. All right. Again here, first bottom, second bottom, came up, came down, I went all the way here. You see how it's doing. So it's a very good strategy that you can start using in your trade. All right. It's a very good strategy that you can start using in your trade. So let me know what you think. All right. Let me know what you think. Let me know what you think so that we can do more videos for you. So if you want a video that, or if you want something to watch, a video that you want me to do for you, let me know. Just drop it on the chat box and I'll do it for you. All right. So thank you for watching. Have a very wonderful day. First up, second up, breakdown. We test at the neckline. We test at this neckline, which is here, and then down. All right. So have a wonderful day. Thank you for watching and good night.